Hi, this is Miroslav Bajtoš from the LoopBack core team. Today I'd like to talk about our documentation and the new structure we are adopting. For quite some time, we've been hearing complaints from our users. They have difficulties finding the information they are looking for. At the same time, we, the framework authors, are struggling to know where to put which piece of content we are writing and how to structure the documentation to serve well our users. Recently, we discovered a documentation system that is promising to solve both of these issues. Let's take a look. The documentation system is based on 4 pillars. First, there are tutorials. Tutorials are hands-on lessons to get practical experience with the framework. For example, we provide a to-do tutorial which guides you through the process of building a REST API for managing your to-do items. Next, there are how-to guides. These are recipes to achieve a specific goal. For example, once your to-do application is up and running, you might want to learn how to enhance its security and enable HTTPS. There are also explanations to provide background and context and deepen your understanding of the framework. For example, we have pages explaining repositories, controllers, dependency injection, and how they all work together. Finally, there are reference guides to provide technical description of the machinery involved in the framework. For example, we have pages providing API documentation or list of configuration options accepted by REST API servers. So, let's see how it looks in practice. In the past, the navigational sidebar used to be a bit convoluted and it was difficult to know where to look for what. With the new documentation system applied, the sidebar is much simpler and easier to navigate. If you are new to LoopBack and looking for your first hands-on experience, there are tutorials to guide you through the process. Usage scenarios are providing how-to guides to help you accomplish common tasks you might encounter while building real LoopBack applications. Behind the scenes provide in-depth explanation of all different concepts we are using in LoopBack. And finally, the technical descriptions are provided in reference guides. Depending on when you are watching this video, the version I am showing may not be available at loopback.io website yet. Please give us a few more days to publish it. Aligning our documentation with the 4 quadrants is a lot of work. In the first step, we reorganize the sidebar to make individual pages easier to find. The next step is to rework the content too. A lot of effort is required to make that happen. It would be great if you could lend us a hand. Please join the discussion in GitHub issue 5549 and let us know how can you help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy the new structure as much as I do. Hey, one more thing. If you enjoyed my screencast, then please do me a favor and give it a like on YouTube. You can also get more news about LoopBack by subscribing to Strong Loop blog and following us on Twitter. See you next time!